Okay, so I think we are live. Okay, let me check my Facebook. So I think we are live. Let me see. Okay. Oh yeah. We are live. Okay. Let's go. Hello guys. So this is our Facebook Live. We haven't been going live for quite a while, and today we are bringing Akash that to introduce a new WhatsApp business provider. Okay, so that is called Combot. So now Akshay is going to talk about the pricing and how to sign up, and how to migrate if you are using other BSPs if you want. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, you can comment in our Facebook group, and we will get to those questions in the live and after the live. Okay, Akashi, you can start.
Thanks, Matthew. Hello, everyone. So, Akshay this side, I'm founder of com.bot, and we are a WhatsApp tech partner onboarded recently with Meta. Now, the best part is we have started offering WhatsApp business API solutions on an agency level mainly. And so, we have recently collaborated with UChat. Now, to sign up, you need to simply visit com.bot
Akashi,
backslash Baba.
share your screen. Share your screen.
Uh, 1 second. I think I missed to share my screen. Yeah. So to sign up, you need to simply visit com.bot backslash Vaba, WABA. That is for WhatsApp business account Vaba. And it will take close to 5 to 10 minutes to get started with a WhatsApp business API using com.bot. And the best part is we offer free 30 days trial for all the Babas that our customers sign up with. Please note, this doesn't include the meta charges, but this includes the Baba access via our platform. And for a very limited period with UChat, we have introduced a pricing of just $12 per year for new Babas, as well as if you're migrating from any other existing BSP. So our pricing is very flat, a simple flat pricing. We do not charge anything above the Meta's conversation pricing. And to avoid those charges, you pay directly to Meta for the Vaba conversation bills, and you only pay us $12 per year after the first month of free trial. Now, how you can basically start or sign up with the Vaba? So you need to simply visit com.bot backslash Vaba, click on start now, and enter your name, enter your email, and the any email, because you'll get a verification link using this at this email. So it has to be a correct email, and it will redirect you to a onboarding instructions page. With that, you'll also receive few emails. So the steps that you need to follow is, first is verify your email, ready the requirements, one phone number which is not on WhatsApp if you're signing up a new number to WhatsApp API. And if you're migrating to a number, then you need to disable 2FA. I'll show you where the video tutorial for that is. And you need to have an old personal Facebook account. New accounts, generally WhatsApp doesn't allow the business API access easily. It goes through a lot of checks. So better to have an old personal Facebook account, and then using the below video, you by watching the below video, you can easily sign up on with a WhatsApp API. So I'll still follow the process quickly once. So as soon as you fill the form on com.bot backslash Waba, you receive two email. First is email verification mail. So you need to verify your account with us. Once your account has been verified, The second email basically includes your login URL, your email ID, as well as an automatically generated password, which you can change once you log in, or you can change later whenever you feel fit. And after logging in, you'll see the very first option as WhatsApp official API. Click on go to WABA. Here you'll get 1 month of free trial initially. So you can see the expiry date. You simply need to click on connect WABA and create new WABA.
So this is embedding signups, right? The user doesn't need to, go to the cloud API to create the apps. It's basically connect that Facebook account and verify the numbers, right?
Yes, it is embedded sign. So I'll log into a Facebook account through which we can, sign up an account.
So this better to be an old Facebook account.
Yeah, old with a real person name, not in a
Okay.
company's name. We'll have to wait for, I think, 1 minute. In general, Facebook's OTP don't come instantly. I think I have an OTP now. Let me try. 6, 9. Okay. So it's embedded sign up, and you simply select any of your existing Facebook business account. If you don't have a Meta business account, it will give you option to create one instantly, which is shown in our sign up tutorial. And here you simply select create a new WhatsApp business account. And for
Does
now,
this need a verified Facebook Business Manager account?
no, even if it is unverified, the user can start using WhatsApp API, but their outgoing would be limited to 250 conversations a day in general. And if it is unverified, it is more useful if you just want to do inbound based bot messaging. In that case, it is easier and not required to go and verify. If your core focus is only inbound based bots and not bulk marketing or initialization of conversations.
Okay.
So I'm just entering a test number from our end.
So this phone number needs to be never used any WhatsApp service. You cannot
Yes,
use this
so
in WhatsApp personal or WhatsApp business apps, right?
right, right. So if it is already in WhatsApp business or personal app, then you need to simply delete it from the settings inside the WhatsApp app. We have some instructions in the help doc that we I just showed. Let me enter the OTP, and then once let me complete the sign up process, and then I'll take
Yeah.
you through the FAQs as well.
Okay.
And finish. Once your WABA is registered inside Meta, you'll have the option to map it to one of our WABAs. You can simply select this, click on save. So now this WABA is registered with WhatsApp API. One last step is to set a two-factor authentication. Generally, BSPs do this directly, but we give more power to the user so they can define their own two-factor authentication PIN. It has to be a 6-digit numeric PIN. And once the PIN is registered, your WABA will get live. And
Okay.
to
So the
view it,
two factor is mandatory step.
yeah, generally all BSPs enter a pin by their own, but as per
Okay.
Meta partner docs, this is not a good practice. Users should have their own pin with them, so they have more
Okay.
control over the WABA. Once
Okay.
your WABA is registered, you can click on the view icon. You'll see the number status as connected. Just in case you see the number status as pending, it is because you did not set your two-factor authentication.
Oh, okay. Okay. So if you set up the two-factor verification, The number status will be immediately changed to connected.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Next, the user can update their business profile, create templates, and see the conversation metrics or the charges from Meta, as well as set up webhooks here. Now, to integrate with UChat, it is very easy. You simply copy paste the API URL and API key and add it to UChat. With that, you need to paste this API key in channel ID as well. I think Matthew will show that in a while.
Yep,
And with
yep,
that, you can simply copy paste your phone number with a plus sign in front of it. So this is
yep,
how you can easily sign up a WABA with com.bot.
yep.
Now, talking about migrations, in case of migrations, let me once clear this. Oh, I think clear one go. So in case of migrations, one second, yeah. So in case of migrations, we have a video tutorial here. It is also self-serve and DIY. So you can anytime start with this migration option, a free trial, and then watch this migration video. It's between me and one of our partners, which basically explains on how you can migrate the WABA. So shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. It's simply disable the two-factor authentication from the previous BSP and onboard the WABA with us. Now, there are a few common hassles that we have seen the customer has when registering with WhatsApp API. And we have more or less created the entire FAQ in this or common errors in this tutorial itself. So, if I'm using my phone number in mobile WhatsApp app, how to use it in API, so how you can delete it, we have already shown it here. And all these things, I mean, it's very easy, and we have covered all the common mistakes in the same FAQ itself.
Okay, I have a question. So we have a lot of clients. They have multiple. They need multiple WhatsApp numbers. They need multiple WABA numbers. What's the process? To apply these different numbers, and also are there any limits for the WABA numbers and one Facebook Business Manager account?
Yes. So any new, even if verified Facebook business now has limit of only two VABAs. If your quality rating of the two numbers is good, then you need to raise a ticket with Meta to increase the limit. They'll increase it to five VABAs. After that, again, you need to raise a ticket and they'll increase it to 20 babas. Now this process is easy. Now if you want more than 20 babas in a business manager, you need to click on this support icon in our dashboard and then raise a ticket with us. We as a partner will have to give your use case to Meta. Why do you want more than 20 numbers as a business? While when we explain your use case, they can increase it to even 1,000 babas from Meta end, but it is only on case to case basis approvals.
Okay.
Yes.
So I have another question. Is what are the most issues you have seen people with the WABA numbers? What are most user case? What's the most problem user might have?
So the most common errors or issues that customers generally face is they receive a lot of spam reports when they do outbound bulk marketing. UChat being more focused on inbound bot communications, that type of concern might be very limited. And except that, the user need to have, so if they want to interact with more than 200 or 250 customers in a day, outbound base, so inbound is always unlimited even for unverified business. But if it is outbound, and if they want to have more than 250 conversations a day, then they need to get their businesses verified. It is not a very complex process, but requires a website, an email ID with the website domain, one government registration certificate for a business, and one address verification for the business. So government registration certificate can be company registration of any sort from any company, from any country, and the address verification needs to have the same company name as per the government registration certificate, and it can be a utility bill, phone bill in the company name, electricity bill, bank statement, anything which has the company name and address on it. So even nowadays business verification is not that difficult. It's just that any way you try to spam the system, Meta's AI will detect it. If the use case is genuine, if the client is genuine, generally no customer faces any issues.
Okay. Okay. Okay, good. So let me see if we have any questions over here. Okay. So yeah, so Orlando is asking, so for WhatsApp marketing outside, you need a verified account. Um, so I
Uh,
think what you said is unverified account, you can send up to 250 message, outbound message per day. But if you want to
yes,
send more message, more outbound message, you need a verified Facebook Business Manager account.
yes,
Yeah. And Socialize is asking, can you migrate from Cloud API to BSP?
yes. It is
Yes, I
very
think so.
simple.
Yeah.
It is again very simple. Following our migration video, you will see you just have to disable the 2FA in the cloud API, and in the next step onwards, you simply migrate it inside our dashboard.
Yeah. So to summary is you just need to disable the two-factor verification, and then you can migrate. So my question for that is, does the user lose the template or the green tick, whatever they are having when they migrate?
So there are two requirements for migration. First, the business needs to be verified. Unverified businesses cannot do migration.
Mm-hmm.
Second, the number quality rating should be medium or good, means low quality numbers cannot be migrated. Now, when the
Okay.
user is migrating, all good quality templates, so now templates also have quality ratings. So, all good quality templates will get migrated. The green tick would also get migrated, and the migration would take not more than 5 minutes. So, there's no actual downtime involved as well.
Okay, okay. That's very good. So I think now it's clear. So the good templates, good rating, and also the green tick, if you are having that, will be migrated, and the downtime is only 5 minutes. So basically, that is very good. Okay. So this is another question is from one of our clients, Nagis. We are seeing many failures starting from June 1st with onboarding of new accounts. Do you see anything like that?
So we have been onboarding close to, I think, 100 accounts a day since last many weeks, and no common issues except for if one person is onboarding a lot of number, then the meta spam triggers, get activated. The AI system is provoking or limiting you. Except that, in general, we haven't faced any issues onboarding new accounts or even for migrations.
Okay. And Chrome now is having a question. How much time Meta takes after two-factor verification is disabled for migration? So I think,
Approximately 5 minutes, not more than that.
yeah, so about 5 minutes. Okay. So
Yes.
now I will start sharing my screen, and I will share what's the next step. So anyone, so if you have already have the web account, okay, and now what you can do is you can go to this WhatsApp, and in this you will find this WABA as a new provider, okay. And I can say that this is also if you have agencies, right? You have web partners,
Yes.
so they can also using this. And what you can do is you just click add a number, and you just paste your WhatsApp number from the com bot, okay, and you paste the API keys over here, and you paste the same API key value in the WA channel ID, okay, and then you paste the domain that is that is also displaying in the same window. Okay, after you
Right.
click everything, and you will see like this. I think I already connected one. Yeah, I already connected one. Okay, and then you can create the bot, and you can open the bot. Okay, so now I want to talk one very important issue: how to get the support. So because you are using the WABA number from CombBot, and also you are using UChat to build the bot, so I want you to understand when to reach out to the support. Okay, so for us, if you can send the message from UChat, for example, you can send the message, the bot can responding. So if anyone they sending the message to UChat, the bot is responding. Considering if you already connect your main flow, okay, the bot is responding, the bot is sending the message, and then this is not a CombBot issue, okay, because the API key is working. It can send and receive message. And if the flow is not working, the automation is not working, you can reach out to UChat support. Okay, and if you connect your API keys, you set up a very simple flow to send a message and to trigger a default reply. If the bot is not responding, and if the bot is not sending the message, there is no error message in our error logs, and then maybe the connection is an issue. Maybe the API key or maybe the number is not connected. Maybe they have some other kind of limitations. And then now it's a time to reach out to CombBot support. You can submit a ticket, let them to check the number, to check the API keys, to see if there is any issues. Okay, I hope it's clear. And now I want to talk about what the message types, if you are using CombBot as a provider. Okay, basically we support everything. Okay, basically all the message type is supported. As you can see from this one, you can send a template message, and and also the list message is supported, and the quick reply buttons is supported, and also we have a feature that is you can actually submit the template right inside of UChat. I know CombBot also have the feature that you can create a template, you can submit it from there. But if you already connect your API keys with UChat, you can actually create the template right inside of our platform. Okay, and you just select your correct categories, and the authentication categories is currently is not available for India market, I think, right? So all the
Yes.
other utility and marketing, you can easily submit, and it's very fast. I submit these templates. Okay, it's very simple templates. I have a welcome to UChat, and basically that gets immediately approved. And after you submit the templates, you just click this sync button, and then you will sync all the template message back to UChat. Okay, and then you can send the template message as broadcast, and also you can send the template message in the live chat. And also the product catalog message is supported as well. That means you can build a native WhatsApp e-commerce user experience. So basically, I think that is all features supported currently in UChat. And let me see what. Yeah, so I think that is all I want to show now. And let me see if we have any other questions. Okay. Yeah, I think that's about it. And let me share my let me. Yeah. So let's. Okay. So now it's all good. So basically, yeah. So if you are using this new WhatsApp business solution provider, and I think the benefit is your pricing, right? You have a special pricing, and also the onboarding is much more easier, right? You do not need
Right.
to create apps, and you just log in your UChat account and verify the phone number, and you will get your API keys. And also, uh, in UChat, we support you to connect multiple WhatsApp numbers. So basically, if the clients want, they can have different business that get the WAPA account from you, and they can connect those different business in the same one UChat account. And also,
Right.
I know you have a big audience about the agencies, white label agencies. They are also reselling, okay. And if they are interested in to build a chatbot, and they can use UChat as a platform, because we do not show any other branding. It's just a generic name. It's called WABA as a business providers. They can just put the white label custom domain, and the clients can get the API keys, and they can reselling this as a extra solutions to their audience. And
Correct.
feature wise, I think feature wise, the template message and all the other message types are supported. Product catalog messages are supported. So I think, you have a full feature platform with easy sign up and better pricing. So I think that it's just a one extra options for our users. Yeah.
Right.
So yeah,
So I think I'll just take 2 more minutes. So as we were discussing, you discussed about the white label plans. So I
yeah,
think a lot of customers or agencies would be interested to know about how the white labeling works. So we at Combot have white labeling options wherein the URL of the dashboard, the logo, the UI of this screen, as well as the API URL, everything can be white labeled to the core with your domain, your branding, the colors, and all those things. So that is an option available. And we have a virtual billing mechanism as well, wherein you as an agency can pay to Meta and your customers basically pay to you, and you also can add a markup. But customers can surely always know the actual spend from the WhatsApp manager. So it has to be a transparent billing with the customers, but still we have an option wherein you can have a indirect billing for your customers as an agency. So I'll also quickly show you from where you can check out our partner pricing. So we have this option here wherein white labeled for ISVs, you simply click on this inquire here. We have two main plans to become our partners. One is $700 a year, second is $1,300 a year. The core difference between the both plans, so the product is very simple. You are simply getting WhatsApp APIs for your customers. In case of $700 a year, you get 350 USD as a balance with us as an agency. The remaining $350 is a white labeling fee that we charge from you. In case of $1,300 or $1,299, you get the entire $1,299 as the agency wallet. Now, this wallet is not for Meta conversations. This is actually for each WABA that you register with us. We have monthly plan as well. If you become a partner, when we do retail, we don't sell monthly. So you can have your customers subscribe to your platform, that is the white labeled WABA platform, and we will bill you $2 a month for one WABA, and if they subscribe yearly, we will bill you $12. So this $1,299 or $350 would basically consume the WABA platform fees that we charge you. Now, the best part, a lot of agencies are quite occupied and don't have sufficient time, energy, resources, or knowledge to help customers get signed up with WhatsApp API, getting the business verified, going on any desk, helping the customer sign up, training the customers on creating the templates. So we also offer this as a paid service. So for each client, obviously they need to have their own documentation, own what do we say, Facebook account, WhatsApp number. Our team would basically go on any desk, team viewer, Google Meet, Zoom, and help the client get their business verified by using their own documentation. So this is one time charge per client for $25. And if you want us or our team to basically help them understand how to create templates, what are templates, how to copy paste the API. I know it's quite basic, but a lot of times we have seen agencies don't have the bandwidth or team to set this up. So we also offer this as a dedicated training to your customers. So this is how our partner pricing or white label pricing works. And you have already seen our platform. Best would be take a 30 days trial, test out the product, how it works, is it smooth enough, how the integration is working. If you're facing any issues, raise a ticket with us so we can assist you with that. And maybe in the longer run, once you're confident, you can opt for becoming a partner or an agency with us.
Okay, good, good. Yeah, so I think no more questions. That will wrap up our today's live. And Akshay, thank you for your time, and I really appreciate. And I hope
Thank you.
each of our audience they can learn the benefit of each other's platform. And yeah, so that's for today. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks,
Take care.
thanks, Matthew. Thanks for inviting. Thank you. Bye bye.
Take care. Take care. Bye.